Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to enable multi-snap on Snapchat. So all you have to do here is to open your Snapchat application. So as you can see, if I tap this plus icon before, there is an option here that says multi-snap. And all you have to do is to tap that one. Then you can enable multi-snaps. However, they have deleted this option or feature right here. But don't worry, you can try this director mode instead. So tap this director mode and then start pressing the circle here. So this one will be my first snap. And then after that, I have to press the circle again and then take my second snap and then tap the circle again for the third snap. And actually, you can edit everything here while doing this. As you can see on the right side, you can see here flash, timer, green screen, lenses, and you can also add pictures if you wanted to. So this is what it looks like. And then you can tap preview to see the result before sending it to someone. So once you're okay with this, once you have preview all the snaps here, then what you're going to do is to simply click send to, and then look for the specific person or snapshot user here, and then send it to him or to her. Okay. And then you just have to wait as it is sending, and you will see a snap sent once you have sent all the snaps or made the snaps to someone. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below, and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.